Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to put eyes and mouth on an object on TikTok. So let's start. But you have to know that you cannot do it on TikTok. You have to do it on Snapchat first. So open the Snapchat app. Now tap on the filter icon on right hand side. Now tap on Explore on bottom right corner. Now search for the Face Builder filter. Now you have to select an image from your camera roll. I'll select this one. And now my eyes and mouth are placed on this object. Now I'll just record a video. Now tap on Save at the bottom of the screen and select Memories and Camera Roll. Now close the Snapchat app and open the TikTok app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap on Upload. Now tap on Allow Access and select the video you just downloaded from Snapchat. Now tap Next. Now tap Next again and then tap Next again. Now tap on Post. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.